888 or visit connectionsacademy.com.
Save up to $25 now on Easy Care interior or Weatherall exterior paints at Coastal Value and
It's a big walleye.
savings of $5 per gallon on up to 5 gallons of Easy Care Ultra Premium Interior and Weatherall Ultra Premium exterior paints from Coastal Value. And the savings don't stop there. Inquire for other great bargains, including a 14-inch brush stainless steel and white LED solar cap lights for only $349. It's a bargain of the month at Coastal Value, downtown Roseville. Start right.
What do you think of when you think of a hospital?
Large building, doctors and nurses in it.
We're much more than that.
Really big sturgeon, Tim. This is going to take a long time.
Is it a sturgeon?
I think.
I think it's a 30-inch walleye.
We're an occupational therapy
Yeah, but a sturgeon runs.
Yeah, it's just staying down there.
That's a walleye.
surgery services on an
A big walleye.
outpatient basis.
That's what I meant to say.
I haven't had nothing this big on a long time.
Community health.
Say that again.
I haven't had nothing on this big in a long time, man. Listen to that drag going.
Bring in any old pair of work boots, any brand, and you get $25 off any new pair of
Just holding it here.
It's that simple. That's it. New boots out. $25 off.
See any deer?
Bring it up.
See any deer in Canada?
At Annie's Trading Post in Roseau.
That's a big walleye. That's a head shaker.
Yeah, it is.
It's a big walleye, 29, 30-incher.
Dude, it is.
Can you talk louder for the film, please?
It's a nice fish.
Yeah.
A beauty. This is what we come for. This is what we got. $200 worth of minnows, but don't tell nobody how many minnows we got.
$200 worth.
I think it's that 10-pound sturgeon.
I think it's a 30-inch walleye. Reel them up, though, a little bit, can you?
Don't want to.
You're milking this out. Well, I got 3 hours here, but holy craps.
Ooh, it's coming up, dude.
All right, let's see it.
You got a net?
No? He says it's coming up, but I didn't see nothing.
It's going down.
I told Jeff that I have 3 hours of film here, and it's like it might take 4 or 5 hours.
6-pound test shit you get.
Yeah, you gotta have a nice, tight drag.
I put the rod under my armpit. It's getting tiring when that happens, dude.
Why? Reel them up. We don't know yet.
Where is it, Tim? Those guys are trolling with the current. Now that takes a lot of smarts.
I want to see them. Big 35-incher. Sturgeon, maybe. Running though, like. Oh, I seen a boil.
Yeah. I got him a little ways out.
You got on for line.
6 pound.
Race, you better take your time.
Look at that rod bend.
I had fire line. I just fucking line come in about 3 seconds, but it was like a swim right towards the full crab.
It's a huge sturgeon.
That's like a bigger than mine.
Hey, why don't you guys come in here and net them and I'll film it?
As I got.
We tried netting him.
Or try to grab them or something and I'll film it.
He spun around. I can grab that son.
Why?
Fucking dinosaur. I don't have luck with sturgeons. Oh, leg. The last one snapped my rod in half. I ain't
Careful
touching
so you
that
don't get the hook in the head.
Yours is way bigger than this.
stuff. Was it?
Yeah, this thing ain't that big.
Fuck yeah. Get him by the tail. Hope you pull him up. Oh yeah, mine was bigger than that.
Peter, don't
Mine
brag.
was twice that size.
Yeah.
Well, so
We got
what?
like 9 seconds, so it's crazy how that happens.
The fuck's it to you?
Did you look at those pictures yet? Did you get to work?
Yeah.
They're still fun to catch, aren't they?
Yeah, anything fighting,
Fucking
I
dino-
think.
Fucking dinosaur, man.
Yeah, and I hooked him.
You got him good right in the nose.
What, a real
Timmer, I
pliers?
need a real pliers.
Real pliers?
I got one. Here. Here you go. Try that.
Look at that hook now again, Tim. Same shit.
My mouths are just freaking.
That's what I need.
Picture with it?
Holy balls.
Tim's got us. I think we're
On
good.
the camera?
No,
Dump
I
it.
want him to hold it.
No, I don't want to hold it.
Look at the colors. Just a minute. Let me zoom
It's
in.
a baby. Compared to the one I got last year, 56 inches.
Let me see that
You
again.
didn't measure mine. I don't know what it was.
Reptile.
Good?
Hold it. Let me show you releasing it. Go ahead.
Little feelers on the bottom. You see that?
Thanks to everybody. It was a team effort.
Yes. We love struggling.
There's David with his bum leg. He did it all.
Get your camera
Yeah.
and we can fish.
Hey, where'd that camera
basket.
go?
I got punchy eyes out in this thing.
Good job, Jeff.
Thank you, David.
Good job, Jeff. That was kind of cool.
Here's Peter's new boat.
You first set the
It's
hook. I'm like,
awfully
holy
shiny.
Shit, what's he got?
Let's see how the sun reflects on it.
And then I
calling
lost
me now?
hope.
Look at that big motor. Peter thinks he's all that.
Hell,
Now he's taking a stock market quote.
hell. Yes,
Bad
he
service.
is. Started at 11 o'clock. We got a 25, a 26, 2 28s, and a 30 incher.
Into 29.
And he's
Yeah,
not,
29.
and those guys are not bragging.
So I got a 30 incher. First time I used my boat. That's pretty sweet. I didn't catch a jig.
Is that a nice boat? Look at, there's Jake.
Timmer.
This is one for Facebook.
And there's still boats. Well, there's 3 of us in my boat, and Tim Hutt's up here.
All right, we're signing off now to the next fish.